let's come back to India. India's own semiconductor ambitions. You've been an outsider studying these ambitions, and you've also been sort of an insider helping India scale up in some ways. Tell us, where are the opportunities in the short term for India and in the longer term?
I think what I've observed, like you mentioned, I am involved in a few of the initiatives. And I think one is the OSATs, or the assemblies we talked about. And I'm seeing a lot of excitement and also investments in across India related to assembly and test, which is the back end of the operations. And that has a lower barrier, if you will, from a capital to get in compared to the silicon side. So it's still expensive. It's still not cheap, but at least that's a good place where I see entry there. You'll definitely need engineering skills for assembly and test, like we talked about, which is my home turf of packaging, right? Now that packaging, you start off with something that is not super advanced, but definitely an opportunity where you will see research in India. There is excitement in India there. Academia are definitely paying attention to it. I'm very aware of the hub and spoke model from the central government, where they're trying to fund some of these activities. So that is an effort for packaging research too, across academic institutions, and that's in the process of being scoped out in terms of where the funding needs to be. So that's one area. In terms of the other area on the semiconductors, I'm also seeing a lot of activity where fabs are being set up, excuse me, like in Sanand, Dholera, etc. So that ecosystem, I think, requires significant amount of capital in orders of magnitude more. So you'll see that also come in, and there is a serious intent, I think, from the country itself to grow in that space. I'm seeing interest here from this institution where they want to put up a little fab for training purposes too. Those are the right steps to go, I think, and build up the workforce at the same time invest in capital.